Hello, personal finance students. How are you? I hope that you're sheltered in place and safe at home and doing well. This is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday the 23rd, our first day of online learning. Just want to clarify a couple things for you and prompt you to do some things that I think will help us work together and succeed together. First off, check Canvas regularly, several times a day, and especially the announcements section for any new information and ways that we're going to work together. I'm going to try, especially this first week, to keep things pretty simple. Don't know about the technology access everybody has, but I hope that you have a way to log on to Canvas and maybe to participate in having a virtual class where we'll meet either using Google Hangouts Meet or Zoom. And if you do not have those packages downloaded on either your phone or on your laptop computer, I hope you'll do that sometime across this week. I'll touch base with everyone again later this week and make sure that you're ready and equipped for that. And if we can, we'll try and all log on together so that we can interact in a virtual way. But for this week, we're going pretty simple. It's a pretty easy week, if you will, because we have just one chapter from your textbook, chapter 10, on property and liability insurance. You need to read, you need to study as carefully as you can all of the items that are a part of that chapter. If there are things that are not clear to you, I pray that you will use our discussion tab on Canvas, and under the course Q&A section, post your questions or your comments, maybe even some of your own experiences in using property and liability insurance that could be of help to the whole group. Beyond that, if you will go to our Exam 6 resources module in Canvas, you'll see that I've got two PowerPoints, one that is listed for today, another one for Wednesday, to try and help you with some of the highlights on home and apartment insurance. That's the PowerPoint for today. And on auto insurance, that's the PowerPoint for Wednesday. The PowerPoint for Wednesday ends with some information about Exam 6, which is over just information from Chapter 10 and the additional resources I've posted on that Exam 6 resources module. That exam goes live on Wednesday at 9 a.m. and stays open until 9 a.m. on Friday. So you have that 48-hour period to take the exam. It is open book, open note. You can consult those resources as you take the exam. But you'll see that question number 50 asks you to affirm that you have done the exam on your own. And I ask that you use your integrity and do that well. Well, that's all for right now. Check Canvas regularly, check your email regularly for any updates. I know this is not your only class, and I know that some of the others, you're maybe on a learning curve with how you'll do things with those professors as well. I'm going to try and minimize the complexity this week. But maybe we'll try some new things next week and as we move on into some new areas of study. I'm praying for you every day. I hope you got the message from President Pistol that as a whole campus community, we're trying to gather at 11 a.m. wherever you are and together envision us in the valley holding hands and lifting our prayers together to God. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care.